I'm not cute right now. Where we at?
We in Louisiana right now.
Nah, bitch, that's not what I meant.
Oh.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good morning, night, afternoon, whatever time of the day is you're watching. So, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair. And I'm going to be blonde. I'm gonna go blonde, and I really hope this goes well. I need to change. I need to do something different because when my hair like stays the same, it just, I get bored, and I'm not cutting off my hair at all. So I thought, what if I change the color? So I'm gonna be a blondie. I'm gonna use this Creme of Nature honey, what is it? Honey blonde. And I looked at all the reviews, so if this doesn't go right, I blame every review that I watched. I blame y'all because I'm trusting you right now. I'm trusting you. But yeah, hopefully this goes well. Hopefully I look like a baddie after this because you see right now I look crazy. Yikes. So if you're interested in watching me attempt to dye my hair, keep watching it. If not, hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm all about reading instructions for the most part, but since I'm doing like my hair, I have to read the instructions. So first things first, I'm gonna pull this thing out. Put my gloves on. Okay, so where's the first one? Okay, it says color hair for the, no. Mix Creme of Nature permanent cream hair gel hair color into a bottle containing Creme of Nature developer cap. So, oh shit. What's this? Oh, it just came with some oil. It says argan oil treatment. We don't really need that right now anyway. So what's this? Oh shit. That's a conditioner. We don't really need that right now either. Oh, it wants me to pour this into that and then shake. But since I have I got two boxes of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of it inside of this container and I'm gonna go from there. So, and the only reason I got two bottles is because my hair is pretty thick and I want to make sure I really saturate it and I get every single piece, because God forbid I don't and I'm out here looking crazy. So yeah. Child, this is a lot. I'm tired. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna mix it. I color immediately. Okay, so I have to part my hair into 4 sections and apply color. Part my hair into 4 sections. I'm trying to get as even as possible, but I mean, hey, it is what it is if they're not even. Okay, so I got my hair in the 4 sections. They equal as they're gonna get, and yeah, I'm gonna just take my time because I want to get every single piece and I want to make sure it's saturated. So yeah, I really hope this goes well. Speed this part up. I mean, I didn't put no type of Vaseline on my face. Oh well. dress stinks. That doesn't smell good. I might mess around and put my mask on because it stinks. Alright, so that's the back. I feel like here, I'm gonna take this. Just take the brush. Okay. So yeah, it looks fine. You know, it didn't start like really changing yet at all. So like I hope it actually processes and changes because I like the color. I'm nervous it's not gonna do anything, but hopefully it does something. Hopefully it does something. The paper says it says 30 minutes for natural hair, but I think I might leave this on for an hour, honestly. Yeah, I might just leave it on for an hour. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for an hour. I'm not gonna listen to the instructions. And if after an hour it don't show, I'm gonna cry. But I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna put a bag over my head so it, you know, it can go quicker. But yeah, I'll be back in an hour. So I'm back and it's been a little bit over an hour. So I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna see what it looks like. I put like 3 bags on my head. Look at the back. Oh my God, it did it. I mean, for the most part, should I leave it on longer? No, I shouldn't. Oh my goodness. The box look like, and this is what I got. My roots. And then, you know, I don't really trust this all the time, but that's what it said I was gonna get. But it's okay because I'm not mad at this. So I don't want my hair to fall out. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and I like the color. Oh my god. I hope this looks good when it's dry. So I'm gonna go rinse it out. I'm gonna go condition it and I'm gonna come back and blow dry it, okay? Okay, and this is it. It's not as bright. Honestly, you see my roots guy, and then you can see here. Like, so my roots got a little bit lighter than everything because obviously I put more product on them, and since, you know, your roots are like the newest hair, I guess, so it's it goes a lot faster to develop. I know I look crazy, so I don't care. I just want to show you my hair. I want to show you blown out and show you the true color. I do like it. Like, I like this a lot. So honestly, I like it a lot. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna go and buy another 2 boxes next week, and I'm gonna just go in and make it a little brighter because it clashes with my skin tone right now. So I think I'm gonna go as bright, like that bright right here, all over my head. So I just need, my hair needs a little break, it needs to rest a little bit, and yeah, and then I'm gonna come back and hopefully, not hopefully, but I'm gonna be a little bit closer to this color next time. So we'll see. But yeah, if you're thinking about dyeing your hair and you don't want to use bleach, I would recommend Creme from Nature. It did a really good job. Like, let me tell you, my hair was dark. You saw my hair in the beginning. My hair is really dark, and I haven't really colored my hair in a while, so it wasn't used to that. So like, for not using bleach, it did a really good job, and my hair is still nice and soft. If you like this video, let me know. Leave comments down below, and if you guys like this video, let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and don't forget, tell a friend, tell a friend, to tell a friend. Okay, bye.